Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact range you want to work with, not an entire sheet unless necessary. Once done, confirm those cells actually have fill color or are driven by conditional formatting, because color must exist to filter. You should convert the range to a table with Ctrl+T if you want active expansion and easier filtering. This also prevents misaligned headers. Make sure to save a copy, so you can revert if a color-driven rule changes unexpectedly. You now turn on filtering. Use Data Filter or the Table Header dropdown. Next, open the Columns Filter menu, go to Filter by Color and pick Cell Color. Excel shows the specific fills available and filters instantly. If you need more control, use Sort by Color to group or the search box to isolate text inside colored cells. For mixed criteria, combine color filter with text or number filters. This ensures you capture exactly the intersection of color and content. Finally, refine results and wrap up. Clear or toggle filters to return to the full dataset, and copy filtered rows to a new sheet if you need a static subset. If a color doesn't appear in the Filter by Color list, make sure it's a direct cell fill rather than a layer or shape. Conditional formatting can hide colors from simple filters. If problems persist, create a helper column that detects color with get cell or a small VBA routine, because that reliably exposes color-driven logic for filtering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.